for any adoptionum, Mema Obibia Akaba, Mijidi ye pass Obia Empomboko, dear Yami Oshamo, Sadaneda Munya Ebre, Eji, Eja, Etie, Eye, and someone, Ekesikapa Mede, Ebersomo, it was too much GHS. So, Ebra Edru Sway, Eye, Ghana Wahala Jumedi, now said the Munimum. Beef be an unsane say, pie no bia, bien no bia, cocotobia de young quine, and yes, or the yes to a dear for beer toby, man side one Americanum, make sure yes, there, fear Frida Rhymes and Eno Barony. Now, buy a bill more, not dear Chester, what the Niabon wants for you know, or not to say, or shed the alcohol notion, one beef, no mommy answered the moon shed and yet no poor bidding when you're to baby crown what target. Sa and I just want to call target medical or that target tagging for the day. I buy a bill no so a tinny baby I was doing home. Eno Barony, aqua target on that and no, am I buy no so ababontin ababe home and on ebusium my bunra and some no emum. Mzvee. Ababontin Ababa reply to the troa Eno Barony eto ede man on and then some of the etu eja NSM. I won't get myself dirty because of you. Now Abusia said the midi kind beef and sensama ekoswa obia e rap skills. Yenya ba sister fiam ene di kind start and some na say what day rap song eba WMT Emma Frida Rhymes and so the KMT by Stefia you get nerves and Frida Rhymes so by with a punchline point of corrections Eno Barony by and or the rap goddess and no so they ever better gay now and to call him did to the extent I feel the Eno Barony shed the idea now who say I was so I didn't crophobia ever no emergency medical Eddie baby Pierre be my medical so didn't who baby Jim at the nonsense ever buy Emma Eno Barony at the first that there be no strong man no sudi jinemu and I will force them to play nonsense woman so the woman at the eba now what tree moon at say Eno Barony Emra sister Fiani Frida Rhymes na mama gwan tun sa e de fra wo mo e wo UTV United Show Business so siesie wo mo nsam no no de wan kwan kopie mu e wo honum na wo kopie mu e wo different channel so na home na chese ono so no mututo na no efa beef nsama ekoso de ekone de eba na chese ono so cheche mu ne na brabo ne lifestyle ne said de nyoma ekọ e wo nyumtuo ni mu no no so wodi etu eja na no na abaye nkonkoma freestyle na just won konkobo on show ne rap skills no e wo ho emfama ya abaye yi show ne rap skills show a obi ho ne se panya watagi Mzvee adanya je se wo mo ye payment ne de na je so mo woska wo mo ni ska no mo ti ho ya bare aye tantan ti se Mzvee we ene asem abaye ne kan ye de tagi Mzvee na eno na chese yeti wonu yetie se abaye wonu susu beba na wa baba join beef ekoso e wo montem because they say ade no akwa gina Stefia Frida Rhymes Eno Barony nua bema medical start there be strong man so omu nyina ho ade omu agim jene wo magim enti no na chese ye hwe se ebia nanka dance hall diva nua ba Mzvee natural girl ai onu ane ho asem na make no nanka onu so ade no ho ebe kwakwaji beef yi mu na so onu do de be yankate nkwan so de be live soup so de be abel so de be nkrumo so de be den anka onu so prepare ede aba amagana for ete na so ba yi ba ya onu de o se hwe ebo menana me dey me banti me gumi ho fi na beef na because of Eno Barony wunti o adenti na wase me yesa na ne nyina ye de wo hu ye wo ye TV3 premises bra Frida Rhymes any sister fia anka pipe penche bi esi wo hono ma ba ko to ne na dia wo ba kwa ya ase na ono so akoye oba won susu mfa ne hu mememagim na mo mama bro no da bi onya sa de no wongu ne brand hu fi ongu ne career hu efi because ohun ne say enyom tuo mu no ana say in the music industry no beef enema enyoma ekosro ema ye te wonka ana say ema won susu ne hu say yes on susu wo hon ma ana say bia Ghana for obi nim wo krampo na ema won susu ugidin enti no beef wo enwunto no mu a eboa promote music industry no nanso se ode ne ho bekwa join beef bi a ebegu ne ho fi ebema ya say ni di ebema ya target with certain things because they say no do na hu ne say free the rhymes or arrogant sister fia o obi a emotional singer na one also so baba reply na ye de edin bi baba target no because all of a sudden no we mu nyina na and as a beef so what these circles no woman bubo mu din dada no obi a wo edin a ye de target no dada say enim say oh medical dey we ye say enti wonu na woni obi a na say obi a enim de woye no ana obi afa bibia target no omba embe so beef yi so emma wonu so ye mfa din foforo bi emmema no enka edin a wo no ho nti ohu ne sem we na man ni din na waje no normal way no onam ne nyum to so aje no enough ede emma no entenya de se wo besoso wo mo ensem so na busia mo mayen kotie ensem a ekoso emra interview ne call so no wo de nsem etu edwa no o say it is normal to have a beef with each other in a music lyric in a music lyric because it's part of the game. I don't care if you throw punchlines to me in your lyrics. I can also reply you too. There is not. I'm not going to get myself into any physical beef which is going to destroy or get my career dirty. This is because of the physical fight that went on between Sister Efia and Frida Rhymes at the TV3 premises some days ago. Wait, and someone what day to a jana what was to be no say. I am not ready to reply Eno shade against me that my natural hair is hard like a rock. She can say whatever she wants. I won't reply her. She won't get a word from me. Wait, and then someone what the HR to an chess or who say said MD can when you beef need a boy and music industry no coso. But the fact is so bonny d lyrics mu the punchlines ever call amanono. And no one also bet me about bonting about reply in the lyrics form and one no buy what choose to say. One year so I no send it in here then say boy one more muniska na natural ne then no problem what they waka for musuo ekọ kawie na de down ho ko say o kawie ya wo down ho awakoi eno anu no because on fa ne ho emmebrem embe dirty embe destroy ne career on be ye ne fi on be gu ne fi ehunu bi pen enti na bo asewa ogene background wa yi nani ato nchen de ohun ye ewo TV3 premises ever Frida Rhymes ene yes sister fia ehunti no enya de sesa ensensem we wode ne ho eba bagim na ye ne aba yi nsem bebeto abonte na Ghana for say why ade wate why ade papa because Eno Barony de do ni mu no no so what tagging crofo ade why say can say Lucifer no what trendom e de akona hini emu wo pen crofo ba boa no na ono so no watimi a kire say ono so wo honum na why you ready so person rapper rappers bebre wo I na won fa nkosa akode so won fa nkosha tawale so won fa nko wo mom wo hono so na Mzvee a ono de ono ye high life diva wonu mum eso na wo de won sem ekọ enti anu yi a Mzvee wode ama abaya no no kwan so a eno no boni bia enim ebinom se wo da bi we Mzvee dwane no wo dwane because oni mo say won onim nyum bia to na nyum a onim to aye se o to nyum bububu ne pa adada no ho ahyehye ntade nketenkete abaya natural girl abegina ha den ni tini na aye natural styles dia be no nko ne ade onim ye eno nko a eno ti na on be so de ne ho ebekwa go for beef because onim so okwa just say Ghana for you na be hu se wono krampo do ye nchina na nka wa ire nche se wono de ye ka anyu to for kranka ye fa no enka ho enu nti na wo kasa no na enya se obeso be destroy na obe dati ye ne career we de o kasa ene na wo boa na mama nkenkan adwenche mienu miense bia e ba ye na ye mfa ensim ye nua sapoma edia wode ebaye or say my dear, this is a matured way to answer such people. They always want to tag people in their misunderstanding, and it is good that you are going back. It is good that you are going back. Don't involve yourself in this mess. Ono so edie and no say ye pan sa wo ko wachi wo twon ho edie film emfa wo ho enkonkon hye sa beef way eche na afede nimguase and na Abra Robert edie wode eba ye or say Mzvee, don't listen to what people will say, whether you can rap or whether you can't. You are a dancehall female artist, and that's all that we know you for. And your songs are good, and we are okay with it. Don't join this beef thing just to destroy your reputation. And also, so at the end, or no, you're okay with a year abaya no nanyum. Dear why the nyoma enti ehu hia se wode ne ho ebekwa kojoin eye beef a ekoso yi na emfa eye nimguase na wo haw bia embre no. Last comment na yemfa ensi yenua eye Janet edia wode eba was you don't know anything. You know perfectly well that if you join this beef thing, you are going to be murdered, because they are all good. All that you know is to sing natural songs and show your hair, and that's all. You don't do anything different, so you can't join them. So don't say that you don't want to destroy or dirty your career. You don't even have that career. Or no so dear and no ebusuan form where any agent be eba ye for Mzvee the comment and answer anu ya wo yi ye emra ye nuaba Eno Barony or target no in ne rap song and I say na ye castle won fa entu edwan obeta ge ye Mzvee ewo mu no we any anu ya wo de ema no san ena hu anu ye ne ne kwan so anu no ana say nka wo se wo no so no wode ne ho na ekoso no said de be yanka e be ma ade no emu aye de, because ne nsem ka yemu ose an beef na ema music industry no ekoso nti na won fa ne ho enjimu na said de won so wadwen e kire wo no na me de ato ho no nti so wo afa we anasa afa we no na won so de wadwen kire no atu edwa e wotuma gin e che comment section na won follow we Instagram page so na emrepam no munua ba ekweti kapa me je medwa making kan e de amam desane ye besane hia makramo
fitiani asese ni din ene your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro ene maba too much gh hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe